Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're back to watch this video and you've been subscribed to my channel, thank you. So yeah, I'm super excited. I came home from school and I found a box on my doorstep, which is pretty awesome. I'm so excited. So yeah, I got an early Christmas present from my husband, which was succulents. And so I'm super excited. I ordered some succulents from Reagan, Rocks Your Sucks. On Instagram, I'll put her little Instagram tag here. And yeah, I ordered some succulents and I'm super excited because I don't have any of these ones. So yeah, I'm really excited. All right, here we go. I have my scissors ready. Oh, that's not gonna work. Let's see. She has a little note here. Thanks a million from Reagan. And it has what I have. It says, she added a little gift. Ooh, handmade cactus magnet. Oh, those are so cute. I love them. Okay, let's see. So I got an Echeverria Blue Surprise, Echeverria Salmon, Echeverria Onslow Variegata, Echeverria Cream Tea, and Pachyphyllum Baby Fingers. Ooh, and there's even a use thank you, use checkout things. So for 15% off. Awesome. Oh, and I got a mini set. So I got a Echeverria Tuxpan, Lilacina Variegata, Monroe, Patchy Baby Fingers, Sedaveria Pink Granite, and Blue Surprise. And it says Devotion Cutting. So I'm super excited about this. Okay, so she has super good, awesome. Oh my gosh, look at. I've never ordered succulents. Like, I've ordered one, but it was an arrangement. But I've never ordered like succulents like this, so I'm like super excited. I hope the lighting's good. I will definitely take pictures though, for sure. Okay, so let me move the box and then I'll put this on the floor here so you can see better, I guess. Super awesome wrapping. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So there's that one. So that's one. Oh, these are so cute. I think there's more in here. So this is part of the mini set. Look at how cute. I hope the lighting's good. I'm sorry if it's not. I will definitely take pictures. Okay, I'm gonna definitely check. Look at, there was one in here. Always check, always double check. So pretty. Those are so pretty. I'm gonna check my other. I get so nervous that I'm gonna definitely check them. Because they're wrapped in this nice cottony stuff, which is awesome. There's this one. So pretty. Oh, this is the little baby fingers. There's that one that I don't have. I'm gonna put them on here because it's like blending in with my rug. She was very awesome wrapping. Look at how cute. Such awesome quality. Such awesome wrapping. Ooh, pretty. I think she added this as a little bonus. So pretty. And what's this? Oh my gosh. So pretty. Look at that. I don't have any of these. So beautiful. Okay, a few more. It's beautiful. Look at that one. So gorgeous. Such like, it's just beautiful and healthy. Chunky leaves. Awesome quality. And these are the baby fingers. So pretty, the color. It's like a pink, purple. I don't know, it's just beautiful. I'll definitely take pictures in the light for you all. Definitely gotta check all those to make sure there's nothing else in them. Taking a pocket, actually. Just wrap it like this. Oh, this is the one I like really wanted. Look at that. Beautiful. And I'll have to look at the picture and like I'll put the name of them on the screen. So gorgeous. It's so dark. I'm so sorry about the lighting. Well, it's nighttime now. So that's what I'm doing in the house. And plus it's been raining over here all day, which was pretty crazy at the school. Because when it's rainy day and you're on a rainy day schedule, the kids are just like all excited about the rain and oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Can you tell my voice? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put the names on the screen. This one is just so beautiful. The Farina is just, it's amazing. So I don't have any of these, so I'm super excited. I'm super hopeful that they'll propagate and grow me more babies. That is all I got, and I do have a gift here that I'm gonna open from Reagan. Thanks, Reagan, if you're watching this. I love all of the plants, super awesome quality, and I will definitely be ordering from you in the future. Okay, here it is. How cute is that? It's a little heart with a little cactus. She makes all these. She's a super awesome artist. She does paintings too, magnets, earrings. These are super adorable. Reagan, thank you so much. I absolutely love I love my whole order. And thank you for the little extra gifts. And guys, if you don't follow her now, go and follow her. I'll put her her Instagram name here. And yeah, go follow her. So show her some support. And if you want to order from her, order from her. I would say definitely order from her. She has a great quality. Look at these. They're just in such good health. And the way she wraps them is just so quality. And thank you, Reagan. I love them. And I'm so excited to plant them up in my garden. And that is all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely take pictures of these beauties for you and do a potting up video soon, as soon as the rain stops. Talk to you later. Bye.